Yes, good evening all. Good evening. Good evening, Ardeep. Good evening, Steve. Good evening, Yogesh. Children, good evening, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So, today we will go with what topic? Make it fast if we just decide it so that we can solve the questions based upon that topic. I think students are not joining. One second.
Sir, what topic are we doing today?
Yes, yes. You know, completely depends on you. Whichever the topic you want, we will go with that. Make it fast.
So can we do quadratic equation?
Okay. Quadratic equations.
Sir, 10th February, I have my maths exam.
Oh, pre-board.
Sir, 9th February I
Yes.
have.
Okay. So prepare well, guys.
Sir, I got my result for my pre-board 1 math paper.
Okay. How much you got, beta?
I got 40.
Wow, superb. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. So one second. So guys, let me give a question here. The question is, a train travels a distance of 480 kilometer at a uniform speed if the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less. It would have taken it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. What is the speed of the train? Very good question. Make it fast. See, distance 480 kilometer at a uniform speed. What if the speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less? Then would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. What is the speed of the train? Very good question, beta. I'm writing the next question. Please keep solving that. What happened? Done? Yes. Tushar in the waiting room. Make it fast. Tushar, why are you late?
Sir, I was out, sir.
Sir,
Yes.
is the first answer 40 kilometer per hour? The train question.
Yes, sir. Same answer. 42.
40?
Kilometer per
Kilometers
hour.
per hour.
Yes. Well, let's solve the question and see whether it is correct or not. Even I have only questions. I don't have solutions. So let's solve it. See, a train travels a distance of 480 kilometers. Cha. Uniform speed. Okay. So we need to find what is the speed of the train. I don't know speed. Let us say कुछ भी speed मान लिया x kilometer per hour. Let's say that basically this is how we approach. Time taken to travel. How much? What is the time taken to travel? What is the time? See, कितना time taken to travel that
480 by
particular
x.
480x.
Yeah, 480.
Time to time taken to travel
Distance
480
by
kilometer.
speed.
How much?
480 by
Time. So 480 distance. I don't know speed. Speed how much? X. Am I correct? Kilometer per hour.
yes.
Okay. So according to the question, what is it? It would have been 3 hours more to cover the same distance if it had been 8 kilometer less. Understand my point? Speed had been 8 kilometer per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more. अगर 8 किलोमीटर पर हार का स्पीड लेस होता होगा तो 3 घंटे ज्यादा होता उस डिस्टेंस कवर करने में. ठीक है, दैट इज द क्वेश्चन. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन okay people, according to the question, what is it, what is the speed, what is the question? Speed had been 8 किलोमीटर less, तो एक्चुअल स्पीड में से 8 घंटे कम होता होगा. ठीक है, this is what the question given, but what he has given, train will take 3 hours more to cover the same distance. That what would have been, so it would have 4 for covering 480 kilometers. How much? 480 upon this x speed. कितना? 3 hours more. 3 hours mean 3 hours more means plus 3. Am I correct? Am I correct, people?
Yes.
So now what is the distance here? We need to find. 1 second, guys. 1 second. Let us find out. What is the distance formula? Distance is equal to speed into time. Am I correct? Speed
Yes.
into time. So what is the distance? 480. What is the speed into time? In fact, 1 second, guys. Speed into time. And yes, what was that? 8x minus 8 into how much? 480 kilometer upon x plus 3. This is the Now x value find out कर लो बस, you will get it. Very simple. This is very writing this question. This equation is very important. अगर वो लिख लिया, if you write that, very simple. After that, nothing you left with. ठीक है. So solve this. What would you get, beta? How much you got after solving this?
40 kilometers.
480 is equal to x minus 8. Then 480 plus 3x by x. So 480x is equal to 480x plus 3x square minus 48 into 8. How much? 48 into 8. 48 8 64.
Sir, 384.
380. 40. Am I correct? Yes, 384. 48 into 80, 384, 10. Minus 24x. Okay. So solve this. 3x square minus 480x. 480x will get cancelled. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Minus 24x minus 3840. इसको factorize करो बेटा. Let us take 3 common. 8x. So 3 1s, 3
Minus
2,
40.
3 is. So 1 to 80. How many times? 840s? No. How can you
Minus
read?
40,
How can you split this?
32. 40 into 32.
40 to 33. Yes. No. 40 into 30. No, not possible. 8 can be written as what? 8x. Yes. 40x plus 32x. Am I correct?
Yes, yes.
Yes. 44 32 is almost 128. 4 into 32 128. Yes. 40 into 32 1280. Yes. Correct. Perfect. So x common beta, x minus 40 plus 32 common beta, x minus 40 is equal to 0. X is equal to 40 and x is equal to minus 32. Speed can't be negative, so x is equal to 40 is the right answer. Perfect. Hope it is clear. We'll go for the next question. What is the right answer? देखो, area of the rectangular part. Guys, any doubts? Tushar, Amrita, Yogesh,
No, sir.
Udbhav,
No doubt, sir.
Udbhav.
No doubt, sir.
Perfect. The area of a rectangular plot is this much. Okay. Length of the plot is one more than twice its breadth. Okay. Need to find out length and breadth of the plot. Very simple, guys. This type of questions are like, you will get asked.
Sir, breadth I got 16 meters and length 33 meters.
Yes.
Let us find it out. Don't know. Even I don't have answer. Let us solve it and find it out. Okay, we need to find out length and breadth of the plot. He has given area of the rectangle plot. Okay, fine. Okay, let's take length of the plot is what? Length given. What a length, how much given? Let me take 1 second. Length given, so breadth I don't know. Let breadth is equal to x. Then length is what? Length is what? 2 times 1 more than. This is what? In fact, he has given meters, so x meters. Meters. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And area of the rectangle. Area is what? X into 2x plus 1 is equal to. Beta, ये very simple सा सवाल है. As a 10th standard student, you can solve it very easily. This one. X into 2x plus 1 is equal to 528. Equate with that. Why? Because he has given that one. So 2x square plus x is equal to 528. Okay, then 2x square plus 2x minus 528 is equal to 0.
Sir, x square plus x minus 264 equals to 0.
Yes.
X square?
X square plus x minus 264 equals to 0.
Square plus I didn't get you. What you are saying? X square?
No. Actually, no, sir. Sorry. We can't take
No.
common in that X
No.
square.
You can't take 2 common here. Why? Because that's what I'm saying. 264. I didn't understand. Okay.
Yeah.
So
I got
this into
confused.
this.
Continue, sir.
So 1056. 1056. How can I split this? Very big beta. Guys,
32
basically,
and 33.
sorry, beta. 32 and
33.
33x minus 30. Yes. So let us write like this. 32. I mean, in fact, 33 minus. Guys, you know this, right? How can we write this 32 into 33 and all? Guys,
Yes.
how can we write that? How can you split? How can you split that? Hello? Amrita ji,
Sir, by
by
factorization.
factorizing what into what? 528 into 2, how much? 1056. You can do that. You'll get up 33 into 32, like that. Okay, so what can I 2x common? 2x common, so x, from this and this I'm taking 2 common, from this and this I'm taking 33 common. 2x common करेंगे तो x minus 16, am I correct? Yes. And 33 common तो x minus 16. Yes. So x is equal to 16 and x is equal to minus 33 by 2. It is not so x is equal to 16. So x is equal, breadth is 16 and length is 33.
Yes.
How 33? 2 into 16 plus 1. 33 meters, not centimeters. This is a final answer. Any doubt, beta? Beta, ध्यान से लेके, many of you might have mistake, a silly mistake here. देखो इधर you Aditya, you can't take 2 common there. Hope it is clear. Next. See, this type of questions only you'll be having, not more than this. Next, the diagonal of a rectangular diagonal of a rectangular field 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Make it fast, guys. The diagonal of a rectangular field. Very simple question. Very simple question. You have to take diagonal of the rectangular formula. क्या होता है बताओ मुझे. Need not to go with that, but just solve as per your method. Let's see how many of you solve it. Make it fast. What happened, children? I don't get the answer from your side. It's a very simple question.
Sir, actually I'm unable to find the pair, but I have found the quadratic equation.
I didn't get you. Found? Look at it, no problem. The diagonal of a rectangular field
90
is...
meters and 120 meters.
Yes, sir. Sorry?
90 and 120.
Okay, let's check it out. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters. Okay? Diagonal rectangular field is 60 meters more than shorter side. Okay. If the longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, find the sides of the field. Oh, very good question. Shorter side, I do not know. Shorter side, let's say that shorter side, I'm taking x meters. He has given meters, right? Right, meters. Larger side is what? Then larger side is going to be what? According to the question. According to the question, larger side is what? X plus 30. Am I correct?
Yes.
X plus 30 meters. It is 60 meters more than the shorter side. If the larger side is 30 meters more than the shorter side, then sides, find the sides of the field. Okay, perfect. Guys, diagonal, what will be the diagonal of the rectangle? Diagonal of the rectangle. बताइए, very simple बेटा. देखो, length shorter side is what and larger side is what? This is going to be what? Hypotenuse. Can I use hypotenuse? Diagonal of the rectangle. But if I use that, what is going to be diagonal, beta? Are you here, guys? Hello. What this is going to be?
Yes, sir.
Is it going to be? Isn't it going to be square root of x square plus x plus 30 whole square? Am I correct? Why? Because hypotenuse square, I mean height square plus base square. So this is x plus 30. This is x. So can I say like that? इसको x मान लो, इसको x हो, एक मिनट चिल्ड्रन, भाई पेन is blinking like this. Then this is going to be what? Height square plus, I mean base square root. ठीक है? Perfect. So
Sir, we are given the diagonal x plus 60.
okay, diagonal rectangle field is x plus 60. Don't equate with that. Khatam. Given what he has given? Given that diagonal length is equal to x plus 60. Why x plus 60? 60 meters more than shorter side. So shorter side is x. So more than 60 means x plus 60. Am I correct? So if this is equation number 1, if this is equation number 2, 1 is equal to 2. So square root of x square plus x plus 30 whole square is equal to x plus 60. हमारे पास स्क्वायर रूट है तो हमको थोड़ा इचिंग लगता है, ठीक है, उसको क्या करते हैं हम लोग, स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड करते हैं, ठीक है. तो x स्क्वायर प्लस x प्लस 30 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू व्हाट बेटा, a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर प्लस 120 x2 ab. करेक्ट? परफेक्ट. तो ओहो, a स्क्वायर प्लस x स्क्वायर प्लस 960x is equal to x square plus 3600 plus 120x. X square one time cancel, x square plus minus 60x in fact, and how much beta? 2500. Am I correct? Not 25, 27.
Yes.
Am I correct? 25, 27. 27 beta, not 25. Sorry. Not 25, 2700. Correct? So how can you factorize this? 27 मतलब 9 3s, right, 27. 9 3s 27. So 90x minus plus 30x. Perfect. Then I think your answer is wrong, beta. 90 बराबर है तो दूसरा आंसर यू हैव टू चेक इट आउट. 90 is correct. 30 कॉमन तो -30. What is your name? Amrita. चेक कर लो एक बार.
Yes, sir.
X is equal to minus x is equal to 90 and minus 30 I'm getting. ठीक है. X is equal to, but you know it can't be negative, so 90 is the answer. Okay, so then can I say therefore shorter side is equal to 90 meters. Larger side is what? 2x plus 1. What is what it was? What it was?
X plus 30.
X plus 30, not 2x plus.
120.
This is what you said?
Yes, sir.
No, acha, I thought you are saying only shorter side. Then you are correct, beta. I'm sorry. I think 120 means correct. Correct. If it is correct. If it is like you told shorter and longer at a time. So I thought you are saying x values. Something 120 bola tha usliye maine. I thought how come shorter is 120? No problem. You are right. You are right. Perfect. Correct. So we'll go with the one more question. The sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meters square. If the difference of their perimeters is, guys, try to understand. I'm writing somewhat fast. Okay, find the sides of the two squares. Find the sides. Make it fast. Let me write another question. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of perimeter 80 and 400 square meter? If so, then find its length and breadth. Next question, I'll write it. A flight of, guys, are you solving the book question? You want me to show that question once? Hello people, are you here? Children,
Could you show the up question?
off question, right? So मैंने काम करता हूँ, इसको थोड़ा नीचे हटा देता हूँ. Right, perfect. देख लीजिए आप. Aircraft was slowed due to bad weather. For the used by and time of right? Increased by find the original duration of the flight. Chalo, make it fast. Guys, by this time I
Sir,
want.
I got 12 and 18.
Hmm?
I got 12 and 18.
Okay. Length is 12, breadth is 18.
No, sir. For the first square, the side is 12, and the second square side is 18.
Okay, let's check once. Let's solve it. Oh, एक minute. Sum of the areas of the two squares is 468. Sum of the areas. Okay. If the different. Can you repeat your answer once?
12 and 18.
Yes, you're right. I think. Okay, let's see once. Sum of the areas. Sum of the areas of two squares. Okay. What is the area of the square? If I take,
X square.
yes, if I take one square, देखो बेटा मेरे पास two square है. One, this is one square, this is one square. What is the area of the square? Let's say that area is x. I mean, one side is x. I have side is x here, and here one square side is y. Let's say that. What is the square of this? This is s1, the s2. Then what is area one here? I mean, area one is but area of the square one, which is nothing but x square. Area 2 is nothing but what? Y square.
Y square.
Sum of these squares given that given 480, 468, correct? Yes. And difference of their perimeter, beta, diff is nothing but difference of the perimeter is 24. Difference, perimeter is nothing but what, beta? Perimeter.
Sir, the sum of all the sides.
Exactly, perimeter of square one is what? 4x. Perimeter of second square is what? 4y. So 4x difference, right? 4x minus 4y given how much? 24. देखो, I have this equation now. I have this equation. What do you think here? बेटा इधर हमने एक काम करते हैं, 4 कॉमन ले लेते हैं इधर, x minus y 4 कॉमन ले लेंगे तो क्या आएगा आपको? 24. तो 4 1 4 6. I have x minus y is equal to 6. क्या करना है मुझे? इसको स्क्वायरिंग. This type of questions we have solved so many in algebraic expressions. Am I correct, beta? You might have solved in your 9th, 7th and 8th standard. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
तो उस तरीके से हम लोग उसको सॉल्व कर देंगे. तो इसको मैंने स्क्वायरिंग ऑन बोथ साइड्स. a square plus b square minus 2xy is equal to 36. So x square plus y square 468 I know here, and 2xy 36. Right? Am I correct? और else we'll do one thing बेटा. हमको क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? हमको x and y फाइंड आउट करना है, करेक्ट? हाँ, then need not to do this actually. x y में आएगा तो हमको फिर से परेशानी हो जाएगी. तो we'll do one thing here. Instead of doing all this, we'll do it. Look at this better. X, let us say x value. X value is what? Y plus 6. So let us say take this as second equation. This is the first equation. 2 in 1. Substituting 2 in 1. Substituting second equation in one first equation. So I'll get like this. Very simple, right? देखो इतना आसान से मिल रहा है तो उसको क्यों करेंगे हम? ठीक है. तो a square plus b square plus 12y plus y square minus 468 is equal to 0. I'm writing directly. So 2y square plus 12y. How much beta? 36. So 2 0. How much? 460.
432.
432. तो हमने क्या करेंगे 2 कॉमन, लेट अस टेक 2 कॉमन, सो y स्क्वायर प्लस 6y minus 216. देखो how can I factorize this? How can I factorize this? Let us write here itself beta. How can I factorize this?
18 and 12.
Yeah, 18y minus 12y minus 216 is equal to 0. So y18 so minus 12 y plus 18 is equal to 0. So y can't be, y is equal to
Can't be minus 18. We can be plus 12.
1 second. Sorry, it should not be, it should be y is equal to 12 and y value
Minus 18.
y value minus 18. ठीक है, तो side can't be negative, so it is not considerable. So x value is what then from the second equation? X value is what? 6 plus y, then x value is going to be 6 plus 12, x is going to be 18. ठीक है, 18 and 12. How many of you got this? हाँ, correct. How many of you got this, children?
I have got it.
Yes, sir.
Perfect. So these are the sides of two squares. So these are the two squares. Okay. Okay, people. Next question. Tushar, are you able to follow? Udbhav, are you here, Udbhav? I don't get a response from you, your side, Udbhav. I request you to respond in the class. Yes. Is it possible? Very good question, beta Abhi. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of a perimeter 80 and 400 square meter? If so, find length and breadth. Very good question. It's a fantastic question.
Sir, here the area is 400 square kilometers.
Area?
Area is 400 square kilometers.
Square kilometers?
Sorry, square meter.
Okay, let's check it out. मैंने वो भी सोच रहा हूँ. That's what I'm thinking. How can square kilometer? 1 second.
Because if it's square meters, it has to be area.
Yes. 1 second. Is it possible to design a rectangular park of a perimeter 80? Okay, perimeter 80. I don't know length and breadth. Square,
Sir,
right?
it will be a square. 20 and 20.
No. One
Yes, sir,
second.
even I got 20 and 20.
Okay, let's see. Let length is equal to L and breadth is equal to B. ठीक है, perimeter. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? 2 into L plus B. Am I correct? We know that.
Yes, 2L plus B and L into B.
Perimeter. Guys, however, the procedure, however, I'm writing each and every step. You have to write the same way in exam as well. You have to write in a similar way in exam as well. So hope you are understanding perimeter of rectangle. See why I'm writing all this. I don't want to write all this. L is length, L मान लिया, breadth को B मान लिया. ऐसे मैंने directly I should have written that. But so आपको procedure पता होना चाहिए what how you have to present perimeter of the rectangle. Park is what 2 into L plus B. ठीक है? How much given beta? 80 in fact. Am I correct? So
Yes.
So L plus B is what? 40. 2 ones, 2 40s. 12 plus b 40 I get. ठीक है. And what is area of the rectangular park is what? What is area?
L into B.
L into b. What is area given?
400.
Acha, so this is the rectangular park of 400 square meter to 400 square meter. Perfect. But what is L here? No, we can take, look at this better. Can I take L is equal to 40 minus b? Substitute here. 40 minus b into b is equal to 400. Can take like this. So 40b minus b square minus 400 is equal to 0. So minus b square minus 40b minus 400. Then now can you write this 2020, correct? 2020
Yes.
match filling either. Make it fast. Perfect. So b minus 20 common, so b minus 20. Correct? B
Yes. B
minus
equal
20b.
to B and L is also equal to 20. So it is not a rectangle, but it's a square. All sides
But
equal.
it should be either 400, but either plus 400. I think either plus 400. I'm shifting that. This is 400, right? Then plus 20 here. Sorry, minus 20 का. Correct. So is equal to 0. तो b का वैल्यू मुझे मिलेगा 20. ठीक है, b का वैल्यू 20. Then L is equal to what? Then L is equal to 40 minus 20. हाँ, L is equal to 20. Right, you are right. Amrita and shut up.
Steve.
The guy whoever got the 2020, this is the right answer. Square meters.
Yes.
So right answers 20 meters. Next question. 20 meters, 20 meters. Next question. A flight of 600 kilometer, an aircraft was slowed due to bad weather. Its average speed for the trip was reduced by this much, 200 kilometer per hour. And the time of the flight increased by 30 minutes. Okay, find the original duration of the flight. Make it fast. Let's go. Guys, you take this question as homework. The question which I wrote here, you take this question as homework, everyone. I'm going for the next question. It's a very good question. Let's see. I mean, why? Because the speed, distance, this type of question already we have done. So I mean, we are solving such type of questions from a couple of days, right? So I'm giving that question as a homework. So take it as a homework. So let me go for the next question. In fact, I'll be sharing this notes. Don't worry. Find the value of p for which one root of the quadratic equation ex square minus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0 is 6 times the other. Make it fast. I'll go for the next question. Solve for x, then 1 by x plus 1 plus 7. It's a very basic question. I don't want to do that. No. If minus 5 is a root, make it fast. Root of the quadratic equation 2x square plus px minus 15 is equal to 0, and the quadratic equation P of x square plus x plus k is equal to 0 has equal roots. Then k value is what? Next question, guys. Quick, you have to solve very fast. If AD is not equal to BC, then prove that the equation a square plus b square into x square plus 2 times of AC plus b dx dx plus b square plus whole 0 has no real roots. Make it fast. What is the value of p, guys? Find the value of p for which one root of the quadratic equation is px square. Okay, 6 times other. Very simple, guys. Hello, are you here, people?
Yes.
What is the answer? Find the value of p for which one of the roots of the quadratic equation is 6 times the other. So one root, let the first root is equal to alpha, then second root is going to be what? Or else you take x. Oh, he has given in terms of x, so let us take alpha only. Second root is what? 6 alpha, isn't it? 6 times. Then what do you have to do? Find the value of p for which one of the root quadratic equation is okay. We know that sum of the roots is what? 7 alpha is equal to minus b by a. Minus b by a is nothing but minus into minus by p, which gives me 7 alpha is equal to 14 by p, which gives me 14 by p. So yeah, 7172 alpha is equal to 2 by p. This is the condition I got here. Then product of the roots क्या मिलता है मुझे? देखो product of the roots से. Guys, in fact, these two questions you have to take as a homework. The questions whichever we are taking down, the questions whichever I am giving you, take those questions as a homework. I request everyone of you to solve those. मैं टाइम पास के लिए नहीं दे रहा हूँ, ठीक है? तो product of roots is equal to what? C by A. So 6 alpha square is equal to 8 by P. Correct? So alpha value substitute करो इधर. Alpha का value we know that what? 6 into 2 by P whole square is equal to 8 by P. We need P value, right? Can't you solve it now? 4 by P square is equal to 8 by P. Am I correct? So cross multiply कर दो इधर बेटा. 24P plus is equal to 8P square. 8 ones 8 threes. So P square minus 3P is equal to 0. Correct? Correct, people? Any doubts? Then P common, so P minus 3P. So P minus 3. P minus 3 is equal to 0. So P value is equal to 0 and P value 3. Correct? Any doubts?
No, sir.
Or else you, one second, we go. P I'm sending out the P value is 3 here. Therefore, P value, if I send P minus 3 is equal to 0 by P here, then P is equal to 3, right? 0 by p तो 0 हो जाएगा, p value is 3. Very simple. So solve this question accordingly, guys, and this question is also homework. I'll be asking everyone tomorrow. Those who are not, writing the questions, they'll be out of the class. I'll be removing them from the meeting if you're not solving. Okay. Okay, children. Any doubts from today's class?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So-
can you show the homework questions? I'll take a screenshot once.
No. Anudip, I'll share the notes in Google Classroom. Why to worry about it?
Oh, okay. You'll share it, right? Yeah.
Yes, I'll share it. You can take it from that. No problem. Okay, children. So shut up. I think you left the meeting and you joined again.
Yes, sir. My internet was down for a few minutes.
Okay. No, actually, we were discussing a couple of questions after you left. We discussed the value of P question. So you can just go and refer the notes. I'll be uploading the notes in the Google
Yes, sir.
Classroom. Okay, I have given a couple of questions as a homework as well. So please make sure that you're solving it and coming to the next class. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Yes, sir. Bye.
Sir,
Yes, Yogesh.
sir, you have said that you will take the
One
extra
second.
class.
Yes, Yogesh. Tell me.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, you said you will take the extra class.
Yes. I told it. 1 second. Let me stop recording. 1 second. Thank you.